And good morning, everyone, and welcome back to Neely FX. My name is Michael Neely, and this is the channel where I talk about foreign exchange trading, sometimes building expert advisors for the MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 platforms, even though I'm probably getting away from that and getting more into prop trading. Let's see. Well, first, let's get into probably getting away from building expert advisors for MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5, because I'm in the United States and I was going to use MetaTrader 4, MetaTrader 5 for prop challenges and prop trading. However, the only platform available in the United States for prop trading is DX Trade. So I'll show you what that looks like in a few minutes too. It's not very hard. It's not very difficult at all, especially when you've been staring at buy, sell, and stuff like that as long as I have. First, let's get into the risk disclaimer screen. First, this channel is for educational and entertainment purposes only and does not constitute trading or financial advice. By the way, that Henry, the Forex trading parakeet, is with me too this morning, so he's chirping up a storm. That's not your speakers. That's not your equipment. That is my bird. Let's see. I'm a professional trader, not a broker. I'm trading my own capital. I do not solicit funds, manage client accounts, nor do I hold CFTC or NFA registration. Forex trading is highly speculative with a high degree with a high risk of losing some or all of your investment capital. Only trade with funds you can comfortably afford to lose. Now, the CFTC Risk Disclosure goes something like this. Forex trading carries a high degree of risk and may not be suitable for all investors. The high degree of leverage can work against you as well as for you. Before trading Forex, or anything else for that matter, including options and futures and options on futures, consider your investment objectives, experience, and risk appetite. You could sustain a loss of some or all of your investment capital. If you trade futures, you could lose more than you risk. Okay, so let's get into this. First, this morning, there's a reason that I don't trade between Sunday and Monday nights unless something really phenomenal is happening. And it goes something like this, because nothing changed. Probably need to do something about this green in here. I wonder if I can change that to blue. Settings, core bars, body. Got a blue on that. Oh, that's better. Look at that. Okay, so if I change these to blue, I'm going to do this right now too because it shows up better on the using a green screen, and the green color is not holding up well on that. So there we go. That's a little bit better. That's blue, and also you can differentiate between the trend, the support and whatever lines. This is kind of harsh on the eyes, so that's okay. We'll take it. Not a whole lot's changed. Matter of fact, it's still holding on to about the 117 level on the euro versus the dollar. Let's go to the dollar versus the yen. Nothing, no breakout information to talk about there. Dollar versus the yen, a whole lot of nothing. Kind of bounced off that the 4-hour trend line. It's looking like it may come down to get a little bit of a breakout here, but that's not a breakout. That is just meandering right along. Again, right around the 147.5, 147.20 range. 30 pip move since in the overnights. Not a lot to talk about. Gold and silver. Let's go to Bitcoin's on fire. If you like Bitcoin, you're making money on that. I personally do not like Bitcoin. It's a matter of principle, and I'm not going to get into it, especially not when it's at highs like that, because I don't think that we have the electrical capacity to sustain Bitcoin, but that's okay. Gold, which there's plenty of, and you can go get it out of the ground, is perking up again, going up to 3370. Looks like it might give 3400 a test soon. And silver, look at this. Silver's off to the races, continues to be off to the races, up to 39. So if you're in silver, or you have a lot of it like this, then you're enjoying that. How long is it going to stay that high? I don't know. The all-time high is, if I remember correctly, is around $50 an ounce, and it hit that in 1979, I want to say. But that's what we have going on there. Let's take a look at the. It'll be a short video today. There's just nothing going on. The trading platform here is my actual trading platform with Audacity Capital. Highly recommend them so far. Again, no trades going on, nothing happening. This is just a really boring start to the week. Let's see what we've got going on as far as any kind of other things. Let's see. let's take a look at the week ahead as far as events goes. And let's see what we've got there. Major events taking place today? Nope. Tomorrow? Oh, look at that. We've got core CPI coming out tomorrow. Ooh, that should be some excitement. We'll see if anything breaks out after that. As far as dollar yen is related, silver, the only way that I know to trade silver is to either buy the actuals or to get into the options and futures market. So the options on the silver futures or the silver futures themselves. You can probably do that through Schwab's Think and Swim platform, I think. I'm not in options and futures yet, so I'm not going to spend a whole lot of time on that. I will be getting into it because I'm a former options broker, and I think it's a great platform. Great way to possibly make some money. Core PPI following after that, as far as U.S. releases goes. So tomorrow might see some fireworks. Wednesday might see some fireworks. Core retail sales coming up on Wednesday. I gotta enjoy that. No, that's Thursday. Core retail sales and unemployment claims. So it says it's a red. A high impact expected. Unemployment claims has not had a high impact on anything since about 2012. So, not really. It's gonna about 13 years. It's not really anything that's going on with that. And then Friday we wind down the week with absolutely nothing going on. So it is the summer. Not a whole lot happening. Not as exciting as Forex could be or should be. I don't like should. I don't like the word should anyway. If you want excitement, you can get into Bitcoin. It looks like this. And I'm kind of kicking myself for not getting into it in like 2008, but then I was a steadfast currency guy back then, and there was no way that you could get me into that. Also, my Neely FX coffee cups are coming soon. Yay! So, ordered them yesterday. They should be here shortly, so we can get rid of the old coffee mugs and get the new coffee mugs and get some other fun things going. So with that, I'm about to head out to my day job. If you like this video and like the information I'm putting out, then like and subscribe. If I talk too fast, let me know in the comments too, because I do have a tendency to do that. In the meantime, you guys have a great one, and I will talk with you later.